my channel. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I know I look a little bit different, and please do not be alarmed. Since the last time you see me, I've cut my hair. So much has happened. Let me know if you guys want like an update on my life. But yeah, it's growing back now. I'm coming to you like barefaced. My face is a little crazy. I've been having breakouts and stuff due to stress, and like I'm trying to get it back together, so please bear with me. But the reason for today's video is I'm doing another road trip. I feel like my voice cracked right now. Oh my god, that was crazy. But yeah, I'm doing a road trip. I'm going to see my niece. She is graduating from college today. I have a grown niece, okay y'all. She's graduating from college today from California University in Pennsylvania. So I'm traveling to Pittsburgh with my brother, but first I'll be going by myself to Tennessee, which is like 4 hours away from Atlanta, and then from there we'll go to Pittsburgh. But yeah, so you guys stay tuned. Let me know if you want like an update on my life. Yeah, I'll be coming with more videos, so make sure you stay subscribed. Tell your friends to subscribe, because I have a whole bunch of stuff for you. I mean, shoot, I could do natural hair looks now or something. This is like a 3-day twist out, so it's a little shrunken, and honestly I didn't do anything to it last night, so it's kind of smashed. But yeah, I'm back and I'm better, so we about to get lit. Okay, stay tuned.
How do I say goodbye to what we had? The good times.
3 hours later.
Guys, it got real. Look like I got on neck brace. Oh, it's not funny, guys. I got into an accident. So James came to save me. It's my brother. Yeah. But the show must go on. We're gonna make it to the graduation. It's the graduate. Right. It wouldn't be right if she wasn't. Come on. I'm about to be here. Yes. It's a video. All right, get out of here, girl.
Hey, Norm. Are you excited? Your niece is graduating. Over there?
Be like 9 hours with you.
You want to do that? We can do that.
We made it out here. In the front, like we work here. Guys, but it's not over yet. Our girl just walked across the stage, and now we're gonna party tonight. We're gonna get some food, right?
Yeah, definitely.
Did you have a good time?
Sleep.
12 hours later, we made it to Texas Roadhouse. Take it down and shot it. Do it, baby. Sing it, baby.
Classy.
Okay.
Woo!
Can I please have the attention of the entire Texas Roadhouse for just 1 second? That's a very special night because my friend Alicia came to celebrate her graduation at Cal U. Yeah! On the count of 3, can I get a big Texas yeehaw? 1, 2, 3. Yeehaw!
Thank you.
That was great.
the bar, the first spot. Somebody brought shots. It's lit. Where we going next?
I think we're going to Jimmy's, right? Jimmy's?
Congratulations, cuz. I'm so proud of you. Oh my goodness. I remember we was like this big, and now you're like this big, graduating.
Proud of your daughter. Congratulations, Alasia. I love you so much, and you can have anything you want in this life. Just work hard for it like you did for this degree, and you can have it, and I love you so much. Wow.
Congratulations, Asia. I'm so proud of you. Love you.
Bye.
Congratulations, Alasia. I just want to say, you know what, you are the best, all right? And you are, because you are a self-motivator, girl. You take the worst and turn it into the best. I want you to keep turning every obstacle that you may run into, turn it into your best ever whatever. Just make it work. Make it work for you. Make it work for you. Okay, baby? I love you, and I'm proud of you. I'm proud of you. We're all proud of you. Okay?
Hey Lay, you know I can't end the video without telling you how proud of you I am. So, I'm proud of you. Yeah, I'm super proud of you. I mean, you know, I watched you grow from a little girl to this grown woman, and you're doing phenomenal things, and only, you know, going up from here. You already have secured a job. I know it's been a couple weeks and you already have a job in your field. So I mean, it's super amazing. You never cease to amaze me, and I just want to say that I love you, and keep going, girl, because you motivating me to keep pushing myself. So I love you. This is the end of the vlog. See you guys next time. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, and yeah, love you, Lay. Love you guys. Thanks for watching.